Hello guys, this is trade recap and the backtesting session for the 30th of September 2025 Tuesday. Took one trade, it was a loss, so let's just quickly break it down and then get the backtesting going. Man, I really can't be asked, honestly, I'm so tired. For fuck's sake. But we'll do it anyway. So on the daily we were within this fair value gap and there's this order block that we've been respecting. If we go on the 4 hour, uh, let me actually go back to here. Okay, here's good. So on the 4 hour, we actually didn't reach this point. We didn't reach this point yet, so it looked like we were respecting this 4 hour gap. Cause look, wicks we didn't close below the consequent encroachment of that value gap. So I was leaning towards the bullish side. Also, we have equal highs on M and Q, but on NQ this one's a tick higher. But still, like these highs are decent draw. Not the best, but they're decent. And then yeah, so going to the what? Oh yeah, going into today. Yeah, I was bullish, especially because we had all these highs, Asia highs. This 50-minute gap that wasn't filled, unfilled 50-minute, unfilled 50-minute. On ES, similar story to be fair, but a bit worse draws, but still decent. So yeah, I wanted to see upside. Like I wanted to see at least these levels be hit. So if you've gone down to the 1 hour, we can see that we actually tapped into this gap here, which is basically the last gap, like 1 hour gap in this whole leg, except for this. But this is just like a breakaway gap, and it's too far for price to come down and fill this one. So we tapped like the last fair value gap in like quite a while. So it's like 100 points, a bit less from this gap to this gap. So we tapped into that. On the 4 hour, we're also in a 4 hour gap, and no, not a daily. Right, we're in a daily gap, but it's okay. But yeah, we were in the bullish for value gap, and we had no, we didn't really have an SMT to be fair, unless you count this SMT, but not that great. But look, so basically, let's go on the 5 minute. No, let's actually stay on the 15. Block a bit of the noise out. I think we had an SMT somewhere, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. I don't think we had an SMT. But I was still confident. Basically, I waited for this pullback after we've inversed this 50-minute gap. So we inverse tapped back into the 50-minute, and we were right next to drawn liquidity. So I entered long. I think it was exactly 1 hour. Entered long, targeting like this was my TP here. And this was my stop loss underneath this low, like underneath this order block, stuff like that. And yeah, we ripped shit down straight to stop loss. Honestly, here I would have, like on this candle, we actually formed an SMT. Oh no, we still didn't have an SMT, but I think this was just a better trade. But still, we didn't tap back into this gap, so price for me wasn't too great today. And yeah, I lost like 700. It's fine, you'll just have to trust me that I lost 700. So my balance is basically, let's just say it's down the drain. Let's just backtest and hopefully this backtesting session has actually been really nice. Let me actually show you a lot the backtest session analytics. Like, this is July, June, May, April. 4 months of price backtest. And so I have a average R of 1.11, which is alright. Max RR 3.1. Wait, where does it say? Oh yeah, win rate 56%. But obviously I trade with like a lower win rate, lower RR. I mean a higher win rate, lower RR type thing. So it works out for me, it works out. Alright man, let's just get the back testing going. Let's put a little net timer. Oh shit. Bruh. Just let me wait. Let me check. Aye. Going? Yeah, it's going. It's just gonna be a 20-minute quick sesh, you know, just to warm up. But let's delete all this shit from previous time and let's start off on the higher time frame like usual. So we've been on this we've been in this fuck. Now we swept out on ES. So yeah, we've been in this massive bull run. So I'm obviously on the higher time frame bullish till these highs. But I'm just trying to find something more internal, like more like, well, we're in this gap. Yeah, honestly, I don't know. On the higher time frame, there's not much at all. So let's go like this. So this low, relative equal lows here. What low is that? It's these lows here, let's just say. No, there's an SMT. This low is there. Alright, and we took, oh, we have a massive bearish SMT. Bang. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. Let's actually check whereabouts we are. Yeah, I think we're ready to shit, honestly. Ready to shit. Well, I think this day is gonna shit, but I'm just gonna skip it because I think I already took a trade on this day. And I won. I think I took a short, like here. Took this short down to these lows, stop there. So yeah, but let's see what happens. See if we shit or not. It will make sense, I guess, to have some downside. Yeah. Those lows are getting taken. 100. Oh, they're not. I hope they are. They don't get taken. Honestly, means more draws for next day. Alright, alright. Now we fucking. Thing is, we put in a bearish SMT. So let's just say we have an SMT with this low here. But still bearish because this SMT might have already served its purpose, which was to just pull us back to probably equilibrium. Let's see if we're... Alright, so yeah, we just tapped into equilibrium. Yeah, honestly, any time now. A fucking dump incoming. A massive Drake candle down, dog. Fuck my same, bro. Alright. Let's skip to market open. Alright, so yeah, we tapped into that gap. Let me check. So yeah, 4-hour BPR, like triple BPR, like inverse, inverse, inverse. Bang, we're ready to shit. Alright. Sweet. Maybe an SMT for value gap. That'll be solid as well, yeah. SMT for value gap, so that means on ES we didn't tap back into this gap. So honestly, yeah, anytime now, I will be willing to short. Just need to find the entry, honestly. But I want to see a one, yeah. Now if we shit, depends though. Might just rip like fucking muppets the rest of the day. If that happens, I'll be sad, bro. No trade for me, I guess. Maybe on ES we just wanted to tap that 1 hour. Alright, we took this high. What else do you want, man? Do you want this high? Go on then. Yeah, completely wrong bias, but luckily didn't take a trade. Bias is only like half the trade. The execution, like finding the internal like model or whatever, is also very important. So yeah, now we've got like relative equal highs that just get taken. Taken, man. So yeah, SMT now. Still wanna see downside. That drawn liquidity there is fucking juicy, bro. Come on. It's fucking juicy, lads. Come on. Nah, no way we didn't tap. Alright, yeah, that is my... We're about to hit a monster trade, dog. You see what I'm saying, bro? You see what I'm saying? Monster trade, bro. About to hit this fucking bitch, bro. Alright. Let's actually go on like the 1 hour. Alright, so we tapped into this PPR on the hourly, I think. Yeah, we did. Alright. Ready to fucking dump, I guess, lads. If you lot dump, you'll be really nice, man. Really nice. Yeah. Dump. Come on. Come on, cuz. Alright, let's skip to market open. See what happens. Oi, oi. Oi, oi, cuz. We swept Asia high in that. You don't know, put in an SMT. Come on. Come on. Put in an SMT. Alright, now we're ready. Come on. Now we're gonna 5 minute. We scale down, cuz. Scale down, man. Alright, 1, 2. Oh, come on, off market open. We want to see a bit of a Judas. Bit of a Judas, lad. You wanna see a bit of a Judas swing? Nah, that's a bit too high of a time frame. But we'll see, innit? We'll see, darling. Honestly, I'm down to take a short. Nah. Yeah, let's see how this plays out. Come on. Like that, and then TP. Oh, TP would be here. That would be the main TP. But partials obviously have to be taken. I'll leave runners till they slow here. Let's see, place order. We'll do 1%. Save in journal. Come on. Save. Hopefully ES doesn't fuck it. Oh, it's a limit, man. Always get it wrong. Alright, doesn't matter. It's the same fish trade. Alright, but we're gonna take some positions off at all these lines, alright? Hopefully it hits, alright? Nah, I forgot market open. Market open. Alright, nah, I low-key got lucky, on God. But, I mean, yeah, it is my plan if we dump. Alright, sweet. I just love that, man. Just love when that happens, when I just get fucking stop rated for the 10th fucking time today. Love it, lads. Love it. Keep it coming. We're gonna try another stab. If it doesn't work, then fuck. Then my shit is patched. We're gonna go lighter risk. Lighter risk. Because I still think we're gonna go down. It's just the Judas swing that caught me off guard. I didn't think we actually gonna re-sweep this high. Thought we'll just rebalance to one of these gaps and then shit. Which, I mean, by all means, but honestly, you're not a gangster. Well, I'm not either. And what should I do? Should I just ride it out till TP? Yeah, honestly, I think we're gonna dump a lot. Alright, stop me out then. If you're a man. If you're a man, stop me out then. Yes, love it. Alright, we're back in profit. Now what should I do here, chat? I could close out because technically this piss isn't fucking gonna work out anymore, innit? Come on. But, man, what the fuck? This price action's stupid. What should I do? Close out, maybe, yeah. But if this shit runs, alright, fuck it, I'm closing this shit out. If this shit dumps, then I'll be salty to say the least. Yeah, man, just inefficiency. It's a Monday, you can't expect much. I forgot that this is a Monday, holy. Monday, alright. Right, fuck this day, chat. I fuck this day, man. PA. 31st of July 23. Fuck off. You madman. Alright. Still have the SMT in place, but we'll see what it does, honestly. Oi. Nah, you're mad. You're mad, I can't lie. So we took these fucking draws during London session. Only yes, we've still got decent draws, but yeah, I'm bearish again. And this time we have another SMT. That's just fucking like cream of the crop type shit. Alright, let's see. Let's skip to market open and then evaluate our decisions based on market structure. No, please, man. Fuck you. Fuck you. Pre-market took my draw. Now we're gonna... What are we gonna do now? I don't know. We could go both ways here, honestly. I think this day is just gonna be a shit show. Alright, we shit, but... Alright, we... Yeah, honestly. I'm not trading this shit, bro. Come on. Some bitch ass price action. Yeah, next day, man, next day. Let's see if 6 minutes. Calm, that's calm. 6 minutes. Alright, so we just had the massive end dog. New day opening gap. Alright, no, yeah, I'm bearish. Alright, yeah, I'm bearish. Fuck it, I'm bearish. Only thing on ES we've taken all these lows here, which far from ideal to be fair, but it will do, I guess. Will fucking do. Alright, skip term, market open. Man. Just left fucking 10,000 highs. Well, not really, but don't have an SMT. I swear, if we just shit, man. No, like, in order for the market to go down, need it to go up first. You know what I'm saying? You get me, bro. You get me. Come on, man. Nah. We've had a retrace, but honestly, nah. I wouldn't even let that slide anymore, you know. That retrace. Yeah, fuck it. We missed out on shorts, but no entry model, bro. No entry model. Fuck it. I mean, I knew we were gonna dump, but I'm gonna take these lows. Yeah, but now that we took in them, we have free ball simulator. We have free ball opportunities to go long. Now it's just a long thing. Now Wednesday, low of week. You know, on Friday and Thursday we want to close back inside the range. Alright, manipulation. Alright, and today I'm bullish. On this day I'm bullish. So, but we need the market to go down first. You know. We'll see. Alright, SMT. But usually these SMTs really don't mean fuck all. But yeah, fuck it. I might long, honestly. I might long. Gotten an SMT, we've gotten fucking lot of shit. But it's just too clear, you know, for it to play out. You know, the model's good, but it's just like something in my gut tells me that this trade might not play out, you know. I don't know what it is. I think it's because we have a bearish SMT as well. Yeah, we do. But fuck it, man. I'm bullish on the day. You know, it's a fucking backtesting account. Well, should to be fair treat your backtesting counts like real ones, so you get to like most, like, what's it called? Get the most authentic, accurate data. But yeah, never mind of my fucking feeling. This trade played out quite nicely. This day was really nice. It was too obvious for it to play out. Sometimes trades just don't play out just because they're too obvious, I swear. For me, that happens so many times. Like, that's why I don't like trades that give you a bit too much time to enter. I want fucking mad displacement. You have to enter in like midst of the candle, because usually those trades play out. The ones that actually fucking let you enter, give you a retrace. Alright, fuck you. Do the opposite. What? This one played out. How much time? 1 minute. We'll just quickly predict the bias for this week, okay? So I think tomorrow, this whole day and the whole of Friday is going to be expansion. Alright, so today we had a bullish run. Fair enough. Because Friday we'll want to close back inside the range. Now I would want to bet. Let me actually do this trade. Alright. I would want to bet that we at least would go to this gap. This is the hourly, so this is like a swing trade. But I would bet the New York session would look like this. Look like this. At least. Let's see. Did we tap into that gap? Okay, so I was correct about tapping into this gap. That was honestly my main draw. I honestly wanted it a bit more upside, but this was the bare minimum, and at least that got achieved. So yeah. So that's pretty much the end of the backtesting session. One loss, one win, but yeah, it's only 20 minutes because well, I have a lot of other shit to do and I'm just tired. Well, that ain't an excuse, but yeah, whatever, man. See yous.